please try to understand. There seems to be a checkered history behind this case. Now, the Seer appears to have been a childhood friend of S.K. Basavarajan. S.K. Basavarajan then fell apart from him, and then he fought election. He became MLA. Then in the next election, he lost the election. And there appears to be court litigation or litigation between them for quite some time. It appears that there is another case registered against this MLA, in which just now his lawyer came and he said that he has been charged with bailable offences. Please try to understand. The Mutt is situated within the jurisdiction of Chitradurga police station, whereas the FIR has been lodged at Nazarabad police station, which is quite different and distinct. I'm conscious of the fact that there is something called section 156, subsection 2 of CRPC. And
yes,
that
it shouldn't matter. Why should that even matter if the offence is registered in the police station? There is a provision for zero FIR in rape cases also, sir. What are you saying?
Just 1 second. Merely because the first information report is registered, maybe under POCSO. Not that, is it not a case that half a dozen or more than that, half a dozen high courts of our country have expressed their concern of gross misuse and abuse of POCSO provisions? Is it not a fake? And there are many of them are reported judgments. So therefore, let us not
the problem, Mr. Subhash Jha, with this argument, and I'll tell you what the problem is. 1 second, Mr. Subhash Jha, I've heard this argument now for a few days. And you know what the problem with this argument? The problem with this argument is that without an iota of proof that there is anything false about this case, this argument is being bandied out about some differences between the Mutt. Frankly, the citizens and public couldn't care less about the differences within the Mutt. They only want to see justice being done. And by making this argument, you are also actually saying that those two minor victims are lying. Is that your argument? That they are being less than truthful when they come out and complain at great risk of their own personal reputation, physical well-being, mental well-being? Is that what you're saying, Mr. Jha, on national television?
As a practicing lawyer, I may tell you, this is not for the first time. I have come across more than a dozen of cases like this, where who prepares? Now, have you seen that the girls have themselves said so? Now,
Sir, do you think that the police is taking all this action without any complaint?
At the moment, we are going by...
What are you saying, Mr. Jha? There is a police complaint, there is an investigation going on, and you're saying, do you know if the girls have complained or not?
No.
I mean, you may be a seasoned lawyer, but your arguments just don't make sense.
Is it not, tell me one thing, please try to understand, is it not a case that such cases are registered or lodged at different police stations? And the high courts of the country have expressed their concern with regard to gross misuse and abuse of the POCSO provisions.